Hello students, welcome to physics class. In this class, we will study about significant figures. Students, significant figures are those digits which are known with certainty plus one more digit that is uncertain. Whenever we measure any physical quantity, the reported result of our measurement is a number that includes all digits in the number that are known reliably plus one digit that is uncertain. Suppose we are measuring the length of an object and it comes out to be 273.9 centimeter, then we will say that 273, these are certain digits or these are reliable digit, whereas 9 is uncertain. So how many significant figures are there? There are 4 significant figures. Actually, significant figures measures the accuracy of the measurement. Larger is the significant figure, then higher will be the accuracy. आपकी measurement में जितने ज़्यादा significant figures होंगे, it means measurement का accuracy उतना ज़्यादा होगा. There are certain rules which we follow to determine the number of significant figure in any of the observation. First one is all non-zero digits are significant. See here in the example, 48. Number of significant figures are 4. 536. All non-zero digits are there, so number of significant figures are 3. Next rule, all zero between two non-zero digits are significant, no matter where the decimal is. See here, 4009 has 4 significant figures. 4.009 also has 4 significant figures. 40.09 again has 4 significant figures. Means significant figures is independent of the place of decimal, and moreover what we have seen that the zeros in between two non-zero digit are significant. If number is less than 1, the zero on right of the decimal point but to the left of first non-zero digits are not significant. See here, 0.002308 has 4 significant figures. अगर हम यहाँ बात करें तो इस केस में कौन कौन से significant figures होंगे? 2, 3, 0 and 8. The 0, the 30 which have been underlined with red pen, these are not significant. Next one is the terminal 0 in a number. The terminal 0 in a number without a decimal point are not significant. For example, example is 8200. It has 2 significant figures, the trailing 0 or the terminal 0. जो last में जो 2 0 हैं, these are not significant. But these 0 will become significant. See here, these 0 will become significant if these 0 comes from the measurement. For example, we have 8200 kg. Now last trailing 0 will become significant, so we say that total 4 significant figures are there. Next, fifth rule is the terminal zeros in a number with decimal points are significant. The terminal zeros in a number with decimal points are significant. Means we are talking about the terminal 0 again. 8.200 has how many figures? 4 significant figure. Why? इसमें ट्रेलिंग 0 हमारे significant हो जाएंगे क्योंकि एक ऐसा नंबर है, डेसिमल नंबर है. 6.0 put on the left of the decimal for a number less than 1 is not significant. ये 0 केस हम पहले भी डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. इन पॉइंट 3 यू कैन सी दैट द 0 विच इज लाइंग लेफ्ट टू द डेसिमल पॉइंट दैट इज नॉट सिग्निफिकेंट. आप एग्जाम्पल अगर देखेंगे, एग्जाम्पल 3 नहीं सॉरी पॉइंट 3 में जो हमने एग्जाम्पल लिया है, पॉइंट 3 में हमने एग्जाम्पल लिया है 0.002308. So what we have seen that 0 lying left of the decimal point is not significant. Next rule is number of significant figures remains same if answer is represented in any of the system of unit. For example, 5.678 centimeter has 4 significant figures. 56.78। अब हमें इसी लेंथ को ही हम मिलीमीटर में रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं। वी आर रिप्रेजेंटिंग द सेम लेंथ इन अनदर सिस्टम ऑफ यूनिट दैट इज इन millimeter, and the reading comes out to be 56.78. Again it has four significant figures, and if we express it in kilometer, 0.00005678 kilometer has four significant figure, 0.05678 meter, again it has four significant figures. So we can say that whatever is the system of unit, the number of significant figures will remain same. 8th point, multiplying and dividing factors are exact numbers and has infinite significant figures. For example, if you are calculating the circumference of a circle and it comes out to be 2 pi r, then 2 is an exact number, and every exact number have infinite significant figure. Next one is rounding of the measurement. Whenever we are measuring any physical quantity, and we sometime we have to round off the our results, then what are the rules which we follow to round off the results? See here, first rule is, if digit to be dropped is less than 5, then preceding digit should be left unchanged. For example, 8.72, we have to drop the last digit, and this last digit is 2. 2 is less than 5, so the preceding digit should be left unchanged. इसका मतलब हम 2 से पहले वाले digit को change नहीं करेंगे, it will remain 8.7. And if digit, second rule, if digit is to be dropped is more than 5, then preceding digit is increased by 1. For example, 8.78, हम 8 को ड्रॉप करना चाहते हैं एंड 8 इज मोर देन 5, देन प्रीसीडिंग डिजिट, इससे पिछला जो डिजिट है दैट इज 7, इट शुड बी रेज्ड बाय 1, सो आंसर शुड बी 8.8. नेक्स्ट इज पॉइंट 3, इफ डिजिट टू बी ड्रॉप्ड इज 5 और 5 फॉलोड बाय 0, then the preceding digit remains unchanged if it is even, and it will be increased by 1 if it is odd. See here, suppose we are having a number 3.450, 5 followed by 0, and we want to drop 5 हमें drop करना है, then the result will be 3.4. it will remain 3.4. What we had seen in the rule, that if 5 is followed by 0, then the preceding digit of 5 will नॉट बी चेंज इफ इट इज इवन. तो इसे प्रेसिडिंग डिजिट यहाँ पर क्या है, 4 है, 4 इज ए इवन नंबर, सो इट विल नॉट बी चेंज. बट इफ इट इज ऑड, जैसे आपकी सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल में दे सकते हैं 3.350, अब 5 का जो प्रीसीडिंग डिजिट है दैट इज 3, दैट इज ऑड. नाउ इन दिस केस इट विल बी इंक्रीज बाय 1. Next, if digit to be dropped is 5 followed by digit other than 0, then preceding digit is raised by 1. For example, 7.351. Now after 5 we are having 1, then we want to drop which digit, 5 followed by any of the number, then the preceding digit will be raised by 1, so it will be 7.4 or 18.2 in the second example. Next one is arithmetic operations with significant figures. Students, whenever we do the measurement and on the basis of those measurement, if we evaluate the result, then what do we observe, that result of our calculation involving approximate measured value of quantities cannot be more accurate than the original measured values. Listen again, the result of calculation involving approximate measured values of quantities cannot be more accurate than the original measured values. What do we mean by this statement? That if we are measuring the quantities with errors, then it is obvious that the result after calculation will also have some error. So final result should not have more significant figures than the original data from which it was obtained. So while calculating, we will keep in mind that up to how many number of places, or up to how many decimal places, or up to how many significant figures should our answer be round off. See here, first of all, we will talk about the arithmetical operation, that is addition and subtraction. In both, the final result should retain the same number of decimal places as are there in the original number with minimum number of decimal places. What do we mean by this statement? Suppose we are adding 3 lengths, L1, L2 and L3, and L1 is 3.1, L2 is 2.78 and L3 is 3.046 and answer comes out to be 8.926. Now this number should be rounded off. The result should be rounded off. Why? Because it should not have more decimal places than the minimum decimal places which are present in the L1, L2 and L3. And what do we observe? That out of L1, L2 and L3, L1 has minimum number of decimal places, that is 1. So rule states that the final result should retain the minimum number of decimal places as given in L1. So it should be rounded up to 1 decimal place. So in this case, when we will round off 8.926 up to 1 decimal place, then it will be 8.9. So result of our addition will be 8.9. One more example of subtraction. Suppose L1 is equal to 72.587 meter and L2 is 72.5 meter. We have to take their difference and difference comes out to be 0.087 meter. Now this result should be round off. और इसको कहाँ तक राउंड ऑफ करना है वो हमें चूज करना है कि गिवन क्वांटिटीज L1 और L2 में से कौन सी क्वांटिटी कम डेसिमल प्लेस तक है. एंड व्हाट डू वी ऑब्जर्व दैट L2 हैज मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ डेसिमल प्लेसेस, दैट इज 1. सो दिस रिजल्ट शुड बी राउंडेड अप टू 1 डेसिमल प्लेस. And whenever we will round 0.087 according to the rules, it comes out to be 0.1 meter. Next, we'll talk about how to compute or how to do the arithmetic operations in case of product and quotient of two numbers. Suppose we are talking about quotient and product of two numbers, then which rule we will follow? In both these, the final result should retain as many significant figures as that of the original number with minimum number of significant figures. तो हम जब एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन की बात कर रहे थे, वी हैव कीप इन माइंड दी डेसिमल प्लेसेस, बट व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट प्रोडक्ट एंड क्वोशिएंट, स्टूडेंट्स कीप इन माइंड दैट वी हैव टू see for minimum number of significant figures. For example, when we talk about multiplication, suppose x is equal to 3.8. Suppose x is equal to 3.8 and y is equal to 0.125, then x into y is 0.475. Now the result should be rounded off. और result कहाँ तक round off होगा? Minimum number of significant figures between x and y. और x और y दोनों में अगर हम significant figures देखें, significant figures in x is 2 and significant figure in y is 3. तो minimum क्या है? 2. So result should be rounded off up to 2 decimal place. और जब हम इसे round off करेंगे, we'll get answer 0.48. And if I have given one example from division also. Suppose mass of a substance is 5.74 gram and volume is 1.2 centimeter cube, and we have to find out the density of the substance. Then we know that density is equal to mass upon volume. So answer comes out to be 4.8 gram per centimeter cube. We had rounded the answer up to 2 significant figures because out of mass and volume has least significant figure, that is 2. This is the reason that the final result for density, it consists of 2 significant figures and the answer is 4.8 gram per centimeter cube. This is all about for today's lecture. Have a nice day.